friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chocolate banana bread that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon powder, chocolate chips, condensed milk, all-purpose flour, of course, ripe bananas, vanilla paste, unsalted butter, eggs, and of course, our homemade baking cream. Easy to release, and of course you have this recipe already on my channel. So let's get ready and let's prepare this amazing chocolate banana bread at home. So let's get started. I want to start first with my dry ingredients. I have my all-purpose flour, which I'm going to sift a little bit at a time until I am completely done. This part is very important because when you sift all your dry ingredients, your bread will come out so fluffy and delicious that just amazing. I have the pinch of salt, the baking powder, the baking soda, and the cinnamon, which I'm going to sift all together. Really, this really makes a difference when you sift your dry ingredients. This part is very important. You want a very fluffy and spongy bread, and this is the way to do it. Well, here I'm just going to incorporate it very good, and then I am ready to continue with the wet ingredients. Look at this. When you make this delicious chocolate banana bread, make sure that your bananas are like this, nice and ripe. Do not throw your bananas away. The more ripe they are, the more moist and delicious this bread will come out. I am going to help myself with a fork, and I'm going to be smashing a little bit at a time. I'm trying to fast forward this video so that you see how easy and how soft these bananas are. I'm using 4 bananas, nice and ripe, and once you already smashed them really good, now I am ready to start adding my 2 whole eggs. I'm going to add the eggs. I am going to incorporate them completely. And then right after, I'm not adding granulated sugar. I am going to add 1 bar of butter, and then I'm going to add 1 can of condensed milk. The condensed milk really gives it an amazing and delicious flavor to this amazing chocolate banana bread. I'm adding the condensed milk here, 1 whole can. You might be thinking it's gonna be over sweetened. It's actually not. It's the perfect sweetened with 1 condensed milk. I have the vanilla paste. If you don't have vanilla paste, you could add regular vanilla extract, but it smells so delicious. The combination of the vanilla paste and the banana is just amazing. Okay, now I'm ready to add all the wet ingredients into the dry. At this moment, you don't want to over mix. You just want to incorporate it slowly so you don't make a mess. With a spatula, just make sure that everything is nice and coated and that there is no dry ingredients. Once this is done, I have my chocolate chips. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. For what reason? I want the chocolate chips to be throughout the bread. I don't want the chocolate chip to sink all the way to the bottom and the chocolate chips are going to stay in the bottom. So that's why you add 1 tablespoon of the all-purpose flour. Just mix it a little bit. Remember, don't over mix your mixture. I have my loaf pan here. I have my non-stick baking cream that I made at home, and you have this amazing recipe. This recipe, it's so good. Your bread will not stick. It will come out perfect every time. This non-stick baking cream lasts in your refrigerator for about 1 year. Nothing will happen to it. The only thing you need to do is bring it out of the refrigerator at least 2 hours before baking your goods. Here I'm adding the chocolate chips right on the top. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and it's gonna go in the oven for about 40 minutes. Every oven is different. So just keep your eye open. When it's 30 minutes, go and check it. And for mine, it was in the oven for about 40 minutes. Look at this. It releases from the baking dish very easily. There's no need to struggle and get it out or pieces sticking to the loaf pan. Nothing like that. Remember, make this amazing non-stick baking cream at home. You have that recipe on my channel, on my playlist. It's still nice and hot, but let me start cutting it so that you see all the chocolate chips all over the place. Look at this. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious chocolate banana bread made at home with lots of love. Look at this. You can see all the chocolate chip in between the bread. This is just amazing. My mouth is already watering, and this is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Look at this. Well, this is the part I love. Excuse me. So soft. The combination of the banana and the chocolate, perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, you make it a try. You make it at home and try it with your family. I know that you guys are going to love it. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.